Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So yes, Brian and Sarah Baeumler are still together despite Renovation Island, TIFFs. They have other TV shows that they're bringing over from Canada, like Renovation Inc., which details all of the work Brian and Sarah did with their business back home.
Let's help you make your mark.
A quick peek at Brian and Sarah's Instagram accounts reveals that the Baeumler family successfully completed their resort renovation project. The Carol Amar Club, which consists of 18 suites and 6 private villas, opened in February 2020. Condé Nast Traveler quickly dubbed it one of the best new hotels of the year.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unfortunately, they had to sell their home in Oakville so that they had the funds to start work on the new, meaning moving their belongings and themselves up to the new place. Drama, tears, setbacks, triumph and happiness was captured for posterity within the sticks.
Make your mark, take our lead.
However, among all the ambitious projects the Baeumlers have taken on, fixing the resort, as we see in Renovation Island, takes the cake. However, the resort is on South Andros Island in the Bahamas, and the Baeumler family is based out of Canada. Naturally, it raises the question of where they are at present.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.